The car is new. I want to be a doctor. Tea and coffee. A cup of tea. I have a cat. I go to school. She is in the room. He is happy. How are you? That is my bag. It is cold today. He works here. She speaks 3 languages fluently. She was tired. This gift for you. The phone is on the table. They are my friends. She sings as well as her sister. Come with me. Her name is Tom. They live in Cairo. I love English. I'm at home. This is easy. I have 2 brothers. I'm from Egypt. Tea or coffee? We had dinner early. The book is by the window. I need 1 ticket.